Hello everyone, hope you're well. Today in this video I will show you a new topic in the what is Microsoft Clarity. So let's start. So at first we are trying to some talk with you to Clarity and how to work and feature of Microsoft Clarity. Okay, so I'm trying to some article collected in the writing. Okay, so at first we are seeing Microsoft Clarity is a free web analytics tool designed to help website owner understand user behavior through features like session recording, heat maps, and insight into engagement metrics. It provides a visual representation of how user interact with your website, where the clicks, how far they scroll, and how they navigate between pages. So let's introduction to Microsoft Clarity. Okay, so what is Microsoft Clarity? Microsoft Clarity means a free analytics tools. I'm already said. Okay, a Microsoft that helps you track and understand how users interact with your website. Okay, then why is important? Okay, so Microsoft Clarity helps improve website UI and overall based on real user behavior. So next we are trying to what is Microsoft Clarity future, right? So future that means heat maps, session recording, and insight and analytics, etc. Okay, so what is heat maps? You can, when you set up your Microsoft Clarity, you can show visual representation of where user click, taps, and scroll on your pages, helping identify high interested areas and elements user ignores. Okay. Session recording. What is session recording? Session recording user interaction your site, allowing you to replay their session to observe exactly what they see, and hopefully you can understand. Then we are to do what is insight and analysis, why you need, right? So when you Microsoft Clarity use, also you can get it free. It's totally free. It provides useful metrics like bounce rate, engagement time, their clicks, runs clicks, where user click multiple time out of frustration, and more. And also GDPR and CCPA compliance. Like Clarity is designed with privacy in mind and helps users stay compliant with privacy regularization. So how to use Microsoft Clarity? How to use Microsoft Clarity? We are trying to show live. So let's go to the website. So this is my YouTube. Okay, we just give me a few minutes. Go to the, this is Microsoft Clarity. So a few minutes later, so you can see this is my Microsoft Clarity, and I am trying to show my previous work. Like this is my personal website, and this is my client website. Also you can see it's another client, it's another client. It's a different website to create Microsoft Clarity. And at first I am trying to show dashboard, Microsoft Clarity dashboard. So this is dashboard. This dashboard too, you can see easily session, page per session, scroll depth, and active time spent, like how your user, how many times spend this website. You can easily track and see, and you can easily decide your next working. Okay, so you can see also smart event. You can see smart event also. So I'm trying to at first last 30 days data. So it's a last 30 days data. So organically you can see some people going to the about section, in the blog section, and others you can see easily. And performance score you can see easily. And also you can see JavaScript. If you have an error, JavaScript error, you can see this. Okay, so next we are talking already in the recording something. Okay, so we are trying to at first introduce this self. So you can see, go to the settings. You can see I'm trying to set up the inside. Okay, then you can go to the heat maps. You can see easily your heat maps. So if you don't know heat maps, no issue. I will again publish in the new video. If you need this video, you can comment in this video, no issue. And also if you want to another segment, you can, there's no issue. Then you can see also Google Analytics for data. So if you have a GA4 idea, then you can easily understand this, because this is the same. Okay, so this is the Microsoft Clarity is free to provide person duration, traffic channel. If you want to traffic channel, you can see source media. If you want to see your customer where is come and how to come there, like you can see the referral and my else that come to come here decide. Also some people in the Google organic way. So this is the main source of medium. Also, you can see how many session time and session by device, like how many people interested in mobile device and desktop device. You can see this, and easily you can decide your next step. Like if you want to run Google Ads and others apps like Facebook Ads, you can easily understand your customer behavior. So I think you must be need this, because when you set up this, then you can easily find out your problem and user experience. So that's it. And also you can see the recording. You can see it's very interesting. When you set up this, you can see live data, like when people come here your site and what you're doing. So how to see this, like, so we are trying to the I'm already say it's a 30 days data. You can see also if you want, like this section you can see is a United States country, people come here this site and 3 clicks and 3 pages going there. So we are trying to this video live. Okay, so when you click, you can see hopefully it's a totally live working, like who people click there and which area, how much scroll, how much tab, and also if you want to another, you can see this, no issue. So I'm trying to the how many people scrolls. You can see when I publish, you can see some people 100% scroll this, scroll this, scroll this. You can see most of the people come here, and you can see scroll point and 66.67% of user listen this point, and also you can see 100% this time. So why some people 66% something has come here, why 100% not see this scrolling? So you need to identify, realize. Okay, so you can see easily understand. Also you can see your targeted area. Like you can see most of the people 66 like something 66.6%, 67% people clicking this button, like this is CTR one kind of. So hopefully you know see what is CTR, click to rate. CTR, that means click to rate. And also you can see some people that click this number, this is a phone number. So you can see this is CTR is 33 something. So you can also these tabs, like those people clicks and tabs, you can see, you can easily identify it. This you can easily find out this issue and easily user experience. So that's it. So hopefully you can understand. If you can't understand, no issue. If you have any question, you just feel free contact with me. So let's see how to contact with me. Also, you can see this is my LinkedIn profile. I'm already some work. If you want to my previous work and previous review, you can see, no issue. You can see my feature section. Also, you can go to my YouTube channel. Obviously, when you see my video, you can identify. Also, if you need urgent and you need any service, you can easily contact with WhatsApp. And also other section, we have a 3 option, like Facebook and my Facebook page. And if you have any video like Facebook conversion and others, you can see this video. Hopefully you can understand easily. And also you think you have any question, you just feel free message me. I will try to help you my best. And also if you want to which service I'm providing, you can see my title. Hopefully you can understand. So don't be late, just subscribe and contact with me.